Hello and welcome to another video here on Powerdojo. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to create a Power BI report for our Power BI mobile application. Power BI has three important components as shown on screen. We'll begin from the bottom. You create reports in Power BI desktop and view dashboards and reports in Power BI service. All these reports and dashboards are available in the Power BI mobile apps, whether they are on premises or in the cloud. You can view and interact with them on your mobile devices, be it an Apple device or an Android phone or tablet. It's important to know that dashboards are a feature of the Power BI service and not Power BI desktop. Moreover, you can't create dashboards in the Power BI mobile apps. You can only view and share dashboards there. Now, why do we need to have a Power BI mobile layout? Now, once we publish our report in Power BI desktop, you can access those reports or create a dashboard on Power BI service, which you can access through your web browser. As you can see, the difference between these two images, the configuration, or should I say, the resolution of the reports is a bit different. In order to take into consideration how our report pages will look on a mobile, we need to think about the mobile layout of our Power BI reports. Now let's switch to Power BI desktop where we'll have our demo. Over here we have a Power BI report open called stores sales. At the bottom you can see we are in the desktop layout view. So this is what you will see when you access Power BI service via web browser. Just adjacent to the desktop layout view, we have the mobile layout. Now what happens if we were to click on it? Now you'll see this screen appear where we have three panes. In the first pane, we have an image which resembles a mobile screen. The second one, we have the page visuals. You can observe that the elements that were in the report page in desktop view appear in the page visuals pane. Now, in order to create our mobile layout, we have either two options. Power BI lets you either create mobile layout automatically. Let's see what happens first if we click on this. Now, as you can see, Power BI has provided you a layout of the existing images, including all the five elements, the three visuals, as well as one title and the button in the layout. If you are not happy with it, you can just go over here and click on the remove all visualizations. This is what we'll do. Power BI will prompt you whether are you sure to remove all these visualizations. You say yes, click remove. And the second manner in which you can add the visuals in this layout is manually, either by double clicking on the visual that you need like this, expand it like this, or drag and drop like this. We'll add one more visual at the bottom over here, expand it. So these are the two manners in which you can add the visuals to the mobile layout. There are a few things that I want you to know about the mobile layout is that you can only add visuals that already exist in the desktop view on that particular page. For instance, over here we have the district monthly sales. The mobile view of that particular report page, I can only have the visuals that are already in the desktop view. Secondly, the formatting that you do in your mobile layout does not impact your visuals in the desktop view. For instance, if I were to click on this text right here and change the background color, for instance, to yellow. Now, if I were to go back to desktop view, you will see the text remains with a white background, whereas in the mobile layout, it has changed to yellow. So the formatting that you do in the mobile layout stays for the mobile layout alone. That does not impact your visuals in the desktop view. Another thing that I want you to notice over here is these three page options. which will help you to align your visuals. For instance, the grid lines, if we were to uncheck this, the grid lines that were over here, they disappear. Let's click on this again. So you see those grid lines can work as a reference in order to align the visuals that you need to add. You can also use this option in which it will automatically align objects in your report so that the pattern doesn't break the pattern that you have set in the reports. The last one is the lock objects option, in which you can lock a visual so it doesn't move, as you can see over here. There's the scroll bar as well, which imitates what the user will see in his mobile layout. Another thing that you need to consider is Power BI will show you this icon to state that few settings in the visual have been modified and it has been changed the mobile layout, and exactly what we discussed before, that it won't impact or even inherit the changes made in the desktop view. Lastly, in order to integrate these changes or integrate this view in our Power BI report, you just need to go back to desktop view and home tab and publish. So whatever changes you have made in desktop view as well as in the mobile view will be published and available online in Power BI service. So that is all for this video. Let me know in the comments of what you thought about it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time.